Hey guys, it's Dane and Andrew back from TV's on tour.
Yeah, we just bought a drone.
So today we're just out. It's going to be a bit of a different video today because we're just testing out the drone, seeing what we can use it for and things, get different shots.
Yeah, we bought a DJI Air 2S.
Yeah, Air 2S.
Air
I think
2S.
Mavic Air 2S, or it might be just Air 2S.
Yes,
I'm not
it's
sure. We've got it
Let's
back
go
there.
have a look, eh?
Yeah, we'll show you.
Yeah.
So yeah, we bought it locally in Canberra. It's second hand. We weren't going to buy a brand new one because they're a bit pricey, but it's I think rated up to 5.3K at 30 frames per second. But we're going to record in mostly 4K, 60 frames per second to match our normal camera's frame rate and resolution.
Yeah, so
We got the Fly More bundle, so yeah, we have heaps of filters as well. There's currently a filter on it at the moment, just a lens filter. But yeah, so we decided to buy that purely because we want more shots and more angles of things for future videos. Like when we go camping, there's always extra footage we can now get. There's different shots we can get. Going on the beach, the drone will follow us. It's got all those features. Yeah.
yeah, well, this video is pretty much just testing the drone out.
Yeah.
Just a few clips and it was
Yeah, so we'll try and make it entertaining, but it's more just for us to test out to see how it looks on YouTube and yeah, just how the drone works and getting used to it pretty much.
Let us know if you like the drone.
Yeah, let us know if you like the footage. No, I'm not selling it, I'm keeping it now.
Everybody plays a beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. 'Cause it's all you've ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I wanna play the beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. 'Cause everybody plays the beautiful game out in Brazil. It's all you ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I heard it lives down the river somewhere. The 6 cars and green in the bay. Got eyes, but he can't see. And he talks like an angel, but he looks like me. Yeah. I heard it lives down the river somewhere. The 6 cars and green in the
And that was my triple collateral on free for all.
Oh yeah, we've got some. So Andy's done a few little mods to his car. We'll show you that as well quickly in this video. Oh yeah, they're not really mods, but they're accessory upgrades.
Look, buddy.
So I've installed this reverse camera. Hang on, wait for that to disappear. Walk behind there. Oh, there he is. So yeah, you can also record like traffic or whatever it is. You can then move the actual camera, or it doesn't move it. It's just how wide the. Yep. Okay, I'm not going to touch it anymore.
What'd you do to it?
Nothing. But yeah, no, that's the newest thing, because of course Andy can't see out of any of his windows.
Are that.
What?
These are more than that.
And then these.
I thought that was a crack for a second.
He got smoked tail lights for the GQ, and we have made a wiring harness so that way the indicator brake is also brake, indicator, and reverse light. So reverse light was factory in both lights, but we had to just extend the wires from the indicator, the brake light, and the parkers to these ones. Turn them on and we'll show you. Put your parkers on and stuff. So yeah, that's how it's going to normally look. They all work, it's all done pretty nicely. Reverse, yeah, so everything works in it, which is nice. But yeah, that's basically where we're at today. So today's just, yeah, test video, testing the drone out. It's going to literally be majority just drone shots. Yeah, so that's all we're going to really do for today's video. It's just testing out the drone, seeing if you guys like the drone footage. Of course, it's just going to be drone footage this entire video, so you may not enjoy that, but it's more of the fact that we're, yeah, seeing if it looks good on YouTube. And
Hashtag bring back Dane's car.
I want my car back. But yeah, we're just out at the Cotter. It's just nearby. We might get some more shots on the way home. So yeah, we thought we'd give you a bit of a demonstration of how the actual drone unfolds and why we chose this specific model. So yeah, it's as simple as it folds up pretty small. Which one was first? This one?
The road is not meant to be like that.
What?
The road is not meant to be like that.
The blades.
Ah.
What do you mean? What happened? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Everything in. We've got the Fly More kit, so we've got 3 batteries with it. Pretty simple drone, nice and compact. I think it lasts 40 minutes or something, maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, so everything's in the controller. These controllers are a lot nicer than the older generation DJI. So you got your little thumbsticks, screw straight into the. So yeah, comes out the top. You got your iPhone or your Apple connection. Chuck it out the back. Chuck your phone there. Yeah, it sits in like that basically. Plug your controller connector into it. Controller on first. It's not happy because my phone's not on. So yeah, basically all you do is power on the remote first, open up the app, power on the drone, let it do its little calibration thing. Get all the way up. Second, once these lights flash solid, it means it's connected to the drone, which it is now, and then this will change. There we go. And then we go fly. That's it. To take off. Nobody cares about that. Take off, hold it down. Alright, we'll show them that now. Alright, so yeah, so I've just turned off the app just because it wouldn't shut up. But yeah, obviously this is the drone. It's very stable, it's a good drone for what we want. So yeah, that's the drone. So packing it away, it's simple as drone off first, double click the button, hold. Let it flash, turn off, of course. Same thing with the controller, unplug it from your phone. Phone's done. Little storage spot for the cord. I don't know if you can see that, plugs in right there. Phone mount tucks away nicely, and you unscrew your little thumbstick. Controller just slides in, you get a little bag. Slides in there, 2 extra batteries in there, you can see that. Drone sits here, you got all of your different lenses, so we've got custom lens, or not custom lenses, but different lenses for different, filters, sorry, not lenses. And with the drone, it's as simple as back legs first, front legs, and then it should have a little transfer thing for the gimbal. That's it. Packed away, goes in like something, goes in like that, and it's done. Now you're ready to boot it across the field. So yeah, that's all we're gonna do today. That's pretty much the new drone anyway. Hope you guys enjoy what's to come of that in the future.
Bit of a run through and a few clips.
Yep. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. We're now at 280 subscribers, so we're going up. Yeah, we're at 280 now. We're going up. So it's given us heaps of motivation to just keep going, which is good. Plus now we've got a drone, so we're kind of committed.
Can't go back now.
Definitely not. But yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.